Hello students, today we will start with the first poem, The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Here, the road symbolizes the choices we make regarding our career. So thus the title, The Road Not Taken means some of the choices which we cannot make or don't make regarding our career. This poem talks about the impact of choices on our life. We make various choices in our life, and sometimes we want to change that choice. But once we start on our career path, it's too difficult to return back and restart because we move so far and so ahead. So even we cannot predict where the road is going to take us. Now we move to the first stanza. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Diverged, separated in different direction. Yellow wood here means forest or jungle covered with decomposed yellow leaves. The traveler came across a road that forked in two paths or two parts, and the poet just kept looking intently at both the roads. That moment he faced a dilemma. Which road offers me a better life or a better career choice? He stood there for a long time and looked down as far as he could because the road was curved and it bent somewhere in the undergrowth, so he could not get clarity. In our life, even we have many career options. Either they are suggested by the people known or the people unknown or the experts. That time even we have a perplexity or a dilemma to decide what should be my decision. Now we move to the second stanza. Then took the other. Here the other means he looked at the second road. Just as fair. It means even the second road appeared equally attractive or inviting. And having perhaps the better claim, he felt the second road offered him a better career option. Poet being adventurous, he didn't want to do something that everyone does. He wanted to achieve something challenging in his life. And the second road appears more challenging, so he selects the second road. Then the poet looked at the second road and found it equally attractive or inviting. And he felt this road was better than the previous road or the first road. The poet, he was dauntless and maybe he loved adventure more, and that is why he was attracted towards the second road. He had seen this road was used very less by the people. We know that something that is very difficult to achieve or challenging. Such kind of path, only the people who are bold, courageous, adventurous, only they can try that path. But Next day, when he looked at the roads, he found that both the roads were equally covered with the leaves. No one had trodden upon the road, and he decided the first road he would keep for some another day. Students, even we face this dilemma in our life regarding the career choice. We select something and later on we feel that even the other option is equally attractive. But that moment it is not possible to give justice to both the choices which attract us. So, just to comfort himself, he gives a suggestion that, okay, this first road or the first choice, I'll try sometime in the future. Though he was aware, once you start your journey, you don't know where this journey would take you because we know there are so many hurdles, there are so many challenges, responsibilities, and expectations from us that even if we decide to take U-turn or to restart the life, we cannot control the circumstances. Now we move to stanza number 4. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Sigh means some kind of sadness which you express by exhaling air. So here he wants to say, in the future, the life would take some turn and twist. And that moment, I will regret why, being one traveler, I could not try both the routes. Once again, he starts with the first stanza. Students, this is called as refrain. Refrain means you repeat lines of the poem for emphatic purpose or to make your idea clear. Here, the poet wants to make clear that the choices we make have a great impact on our life. We cannot control the future. It is not in our hand where the course of actions would take us. And somewhere he feels the decisions we make regarding our career, it makes a lot of impact. So understand, students, in our life, the decisions we make decide our future. Time we know is limited. Time and tide wait for none. So as we cannot control the time, there is no use crying over the spilt milk. So before you take any decision, think wisely. And once you have taken the decision, whatever happens, you have to accept it. You have to face it. That is only life. Life is never a bed of roses. You cannot predict the course of life, the direction that your life will have. So, be wise at the same time, be patient and be courageous. Without it, you cannot achieve anything. You need to remember one thing, only acceptance and wisdom will help you to move ahead in your life. You can take the entire world in your stride with your efforts but at no point regret about the decisions made and waste your time. Thank you.